Mobility is at a pivotal point. People and cargo can now move around more smartly and efficiently. At Mitsui Co, we're leveraging our know-how across the whole mobility domain to generate new ideas and solutions, from underground all the way to outer space. For many years, we've manufactured, sold and serviced vehicles for land, sea and air, while providing support for finance, leasing and rental services. We've also developed a wide range of transport infrastructure, subways being just one example. Our recent initiatives include vehicle control systems, EVs, car-sharing services, drone-based ship maintenance, wearable power suits, and commercial buildings in railway stations. We've also built intermodal freight transport services that link railways, inland terminals, and ports. One goal is to make seamless mobility a reality by incorporating big data and ICT into our passenger transport services. Even more exciting, we'll build power infrastructure for towns using the energy storage capabilities of EVs. We're also using satellite data and ICT to enhance the efficiency of civil engineering projects, freight and passenger transport, and maritime shipping. Plus, we offer space-based services using rockets and satellites. Along with its partners, Mitsui is not just connecting one vehicle to another. It's combining and recombining its group-wide functions and know-how, technology and ideas to create new value, stretching from underground to outer space. Making the world more convenient and comfortable. That is what Mitsui & Company's mobility chain concept is all about.